Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Saturday, October 20th. It's been a few days since I have returned from Jamaica. I'm currently in my living room preparing a tablescape for a tea party in support of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Before I proceed any further, I just want to tell you thanks for your support with my recent videos that I recorded in Jamaica. I appreciate it so much. So my plan with this tablescape is to complete it, then do the reveal after I return from church. I invite you to keep watching as I'll be sharing some important information about breast cancer. For he himself has said, I will never leave you nor forsake you. Hebrews 13 verse 5. This Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we embrace the theme, no one should face cancer alone. And just as God promises his unwavering support, we must ensure that no one faces this challenge without community and care. In that spirit, a group of ladies, along with myself, are participating in a collaboration called Pink Ribbon in support of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. By now, you must have seen their info displayed on the screen. Please do visit their channels. And here I am at church participating in Wear Pink Sunday, another Breast Cancer Awareness Month initiative. Did you know that there are certain myths surrounding breast cancer that is preventing some women from seeking the care that they need? Here, I will share 5 of them with you. The first, only women get breast cancer. This is actually not so. Men can also develop breast cancer, although it's much less common. Second, breast cancer is always hereditary. Most breast cancer cases occur in women without a family history of the disease. Number 3, a lump is the only sign. Breast cancer can present with various symptoms, including changes in the breast shape, skin texture, or discharge. Number 4, mammograms cause cancer. The low radiation exposure for mammograms is safe, and the benefits of early detection far outweigh any risk. Think about that one. Number 5, younger women don't get breast cancer. Breast cancer can affect women of all ages, and younger women should not ignore potential symptoms. And for this one, I have heard many stories on social media where women present with symptoms and it's dismissed. So I pray that you have taken these in consideration, and if you're having symptoms, please go get yourselves checked. And even without symptoms, remember, women over 40 are encouraged to do yearly mammograms. You have just seen the reveal. I believe it's very simple but meaningful, one that can be used to entertain someone who might be going through the disease. God bless you, and thanks for joining. Until next time, take very good care of yourself.